Duck. Any of various species of relatively small, short-necked, large-billed waterfowl. In true ducks, i.e., those classified in the subfamily Anatinae in the waterfowl family Anatidae, the legs are placed rearward, as in swans, rather than forward, as in geese. The result is a distinctive waddling gait. Most true ducks, including a few inaccurately called geese, e.g. shelled geese, by reason of size and build, also differ from swans and true geese in the following characteristics. Males, drakes, and females, hens or ducks, exhibit some degree of differentiation in plumage and in call. Males molt twice annually. Females lay large clutches of smooth-shelled rather than rough-shelled eggs, and both sexes have overlapping scales on the skin of the leg. The wild mallard, Anas platyrhynchos, is believed to be the ancestor of all domestic ducks, and it has undergone numerous crossbreedings and mutations since it was first domesticated in China, between 2,000 and 3,000 years ago. Ducks are a group of species of waterbirds, relatively small in size and with shorter necks than their close cousins of swans and geese. Along with their longer-necked cousins, they make up the biological family of Anatidae. Humans have had a long relationship with members of this family by being economically and culturally important to us. Ducks, in particular, have been domesticated to be exploited for their feathers, eggs, and meat. All ducks have highly waterproof feathers. A duck's feathers are so waterproof that even when the duck dives underwater, the downy underlayer of feathers right next to the skin will stay completely dry. Ducks are omnivorous and will eat grass, aquatic plants, insects, seeds, fruit, fish, crustaceans, and other types of food. Ducklings younger than 10 days tend to swim and walk as a group, always close to their mother, to avoid the attack of predators. Most duck species are monogamous